channel, my beautiful people. If this is the first time you're getting to watch my video, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get to be updated whenever I upload a new video. I've done quite some videos. Please go back and watch them. They are very, very useful. So today I'll be teaching us something, and that is about skin repair. I'll be making a black soap for skin repair. This soap is very, 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 very effective. I have used it. I'm repeating this video because a client of mine on my Instagram page wants me to make this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at QJ Empire. So let's go back to my working station. Welcome to my working station. Everything is sterilized here. So we are making skin repair black soap. Here is my base soap. You can use the Ghana black soap. If you don't have the Ghana black soap, or you're thinking of how to blend the soap, blending the Ghana black soap is very difficult. You can also use this Moroccan black soap. I love this soap so much. I use it as my base in most of my black soap because it has some oils. This particular soap has olive oil. You can see it there, and it has some other essential oils there. Using the soap, 2 wraps of it, 2 wraps of my Moroccan black soap as my base soap. I also have my anti-reaction soap. This is my DIY anti-reaction soap. I sell the soap this way. It takes care of a lot of things, white patches, eczema and all that. So I always mix this soap in whenever I'm making soap. So let's get started. Here we have 1 gram of my black soap. And this is about 250 grams of my DIY repair soap. I'll be using turmeric powder. I'll add a tablespoon of turmeric powder. I'll also add a tablespoon of my turmeric body butter for moisturizing. It also has some antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. I'll be adding my arrowroot powder to this. 1 tablespoon of my arrowroot powder. I say this is a repair soap. I'll be adding oatmeal powder. It has some anti-aging property. Adding my rice powder. 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Rice powder contains some sun protective agent like ferulic acid and allantoin. It also soothes sunburn, it exfoliates, it takes care of dark circles and brightens the skin. So right now I'll also be adding my neem powder. Neem powder has some beautiful benefits. We're adding 1 tablespoon of neem powder to this soap. It reduces acne, takes care of athlete's feet, eczema, and very, very good for dandruff. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of my egg yolk powder. It's a treatment soap, so we need all of this in that soap. I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of my honey, moisturizer, emollients. Always add honey to your soup. And my collagen, you know I don't joke with collagen, so here I'll be adding a tablespoon of my collagen extract for body repair. And 1 teaspoon of my vitamin E. If you don't have this vitamin E, you can use 4 to 5 capsules of your vitamin E while making the soup. I'll be adding my tamarind. Look at it, tamarind extract. Tamarind is a very good extract. You don't want to miss this while making your soup. It exfoliates the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it takes care of cellulite, has an anti-aging property, it removes dark circles, it also takes care of black spots. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of my tamarind. Look at it, tamarind extract to this soup. And I have one important thing here, that is my herbal treatment. This herbal treatment cream, I add it in all my soup. It is for reaction, it takes care of reaction, okay, like white patches, black spots, eczema, ringworms, anything skin reaction, it takes care. It's very, very effective. Very, very, very effective. So I'll be adding just a tablespoon of this my anti-reaction cream. So if you want it, you can also get it from me. And omi arrow is an extract from black soup. It is also for anti-reaction. It takes care of eczema too. So I'll be adding just 1 tablespoon of omi arrow to this. After that, I want to put this together, operate it, make sure. Yeah, please endeavor to wear your gloves. Like I said, if you think the black soup, the Ghana black soup will be very difficult for you to work with, you can work with a Moroccan black soup. I like that base so much. There is this glow it gives after each usage. So stay tuned. So lovelies, this is the end result of our herbal repair soup. That's it. The end result is gathering so well. You can keep this to cure for 24 hours before use. Thanks for watching. Please turn on the notification bell, share my videos. If there is any question, drop it on that comment section below. Thank you.